Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I did not go through all the time, expense, and torture of braces to then not take care of my teeth. So this Bestday electric toothbrush has definitely been helping me to do that. I feel like with this toothbrush, I really don't have to put as much effort into brushing my teeth because this toothbrush does most of the work for me. It's much more gentle on my teeth than I would probably be with a manual toothbrush too, which is great because I have been experiencing a little bit of gum recession lately. A feature that I think is really cool about this toothbrush is that every 30 seconds, there is a really perceptible change in the vibration pattern. And this alerts me to how long I've been brushing my teeth. This is great because now I feel like I'm more aware about evenly spacing the time so that I can clean all of my mouth, top and bottom, left and right. It comes with two different types of heads, one being your standard toothbrush head, and the other one has finer tips so that you can really get a deeper clean around the gum line. The brush has 5 different vibration modes. I usually use the clean mode, but for times when I want to clean my dental retainers, I like to use the polish mode. This gives my retainer a really thorough clean and really gets into all of the textured areas and those grooves where it can be hard to clean. This Bestday electric toothbrush has definitely given my mouth an extra clean feeling, more so than when I used my manual toothbrush. And that's my point of view.